Thank you so much for watching this video, and it's going to be amazing video for you guys. Before that, I want to say please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much. You know, negativity that really ruling out our life, our energy, the frustration, and it is really being right now the biggest challenge, right? चाहे हम किसी भी रिश्ते में देखें. So friends, इस वीडियो के अंदर आप सीखने वाले हैं कैसे नकारात्मक से बाहर आने का जादुई तरीका. So enjoy and watch this video completely. The day 7, the magical way out of negativity.
Way out of negativity. Could you make it a little bigger, please, if you don't mind? Of course, I have no problem. I can read it. A thankful person, a little, yeah, because I'm not able to see the sides of this page. Okay, make it smaller, then maybe it comes on my
So
screen.
you can zoom it from your phone also.
No, no, I'm on a PC, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Oh, yeah, this is fine. A thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. Written by Baha'u'llah, 1817 to 1892, Persian founder of the Baha'i faith. I hope my speed is clear, if you don't mind.
Very clear, sir.
All right, thank you. Okay, whether it is relationship in turmoil, financial pressure, a lack of health, or problems in a job, negative situations arise because of a lack of gratitude over a long period of time. If we are not grateful for each thing in our lives, we are unintentionally taking those things for granted. Taking things for granted is a major cause of negativity. Because we take things for granted, we are not giving thanks in return. And we stop the magic happening in our life. Just as giving thanks to others will always lead to our life magically increasing, so must taking things for granted always lead to our life decreasing. Are you grateful for your health when it is good? Or do you only notice your health when your body gets sick or hurts? Are you grateful for your job every day? Or do you only value your job when you hear there will be cutbacks? Are you grateful for your pay or salary every single time you receive it? Or do you take your pay or salary for granted? Are you grateful for your loved ones when everything is running smoothly? Or do you only talk to others about your loved ones when there are problems? Are you grateful when your car is working well? Or do you only think of your car when it breaks down?
Okay, so how many times do we say thank you for our health when we are healthy? Like, for example, I have got a little cold, and just before the sentence came up, I realized that I was taking my throat for granted. कि ठीक है बोल रहे हैं चल रहा है पता नहीं कितने सालों से बोल ही रहे हैं and because I have little flu and I have little cold, I am having some discomfort while talking, and that is the time I'm realizing that I'm so grateful that I always had a clear throat. I always had a clear voice to express myself. And similarly for the salary, I mean, so many years I've worked in corporates, and every month the salary will come on whatever date the company I was working for had fixed up for that. I never paid any gratitude for it. The only thing, हाँ, दसवन निकालना सीखा है अपने parents से, अपने religion में. तो ये था कि हाँ, whenever I got salary, I took out 10% of my salary for charity, for helping people who need it, because I saw my father doing it, my grandfather doing it, and that is what is हमारे होली ग्रंथ में लिखा है या हमारे गुरुद्वारा में बताते हैं. तो दैट इज द ओनली थिंग आई यूज टू डू कि मैं दसवां निकाला तब मैंने थैंक यू बोला कि आपने मुझे पिछले महीने की तनख्वाह दी है, उसके लिए शुक्रिया और शुक्राने के लिए मैं दसवां निकाल रही हूँ, आप इसमें बरकत डालना. दैट वाज द ओनली टाइम आई सेड थैंक यू. और जब सैलरी आ रही है तब कभी थैंक यू नहीं बोला. बट ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन, when people were talking about that they are not getting salaries for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or people are getting 30% salary or 40% salary cut, that was the time I was so grateful for my salary, because without fail, on every last working day of the month, I used to get my full salary in my account. So before that, it was taken for granted. We तो आनी ही है salary, काम कर रहे हैं तो तनख्वाह तो आनी ही है. But during that period, when there was this possibility that it may not come for others or it may not come for me also, that is the time I was so grateful for the salary. Similarly, in our relationships, if my mate is making a wonderful food for, you know, years, I will never say, हाँ मेरी maid खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती है, or maybe once in a while I'll say that also. But the day she messed up anything, I will be sharing it with each and every person. इसको तो समझ ही नहीं है, मैं तो समझा समझा के हार गई, देखो इतना नुकसान कर दिया वो कर, and I will be actually talking about that negative thing of that person to everybody. So by she's doing good, it's by default expected है वो करेगी. The moment there is any change from that, और उसी टाइम वो नेगेटिविटी क्रिएट हो जाती है. I want all of you to look into your lives and see, are we not doing that every day in every area of life?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And जग्गी, हिंदी में एक बहुत प्यारी कहावत हम सबने सुनी होगी बचपन में, कि वो कबीर का दोहा है, एक्चुअली कहावत नहीं है, कि दुख में सुमरिन सब करें, सुख में करे न कोई, जो सुख में सिमरिन करे तो दुख काहे को होए.
Exactly. और ये जो हम ग्रेटिट्यूड के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, ये हमारे हर धर्म ग्रंथ में लिखा है. चाहे आप कुरान पढ़ लीजिए, चाहे आप ग्रंथ साहब पढ़ लीजिए, चाहे आप गीता पढ़ लीजिए, या किसी भी धर्म का कोई ग्रंथ उठा के पढ़ेंगे ना, उसमें यही लिखा है, टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाट यू हैव, काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स. या प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
All
Please
right.
continue.
Thank you. Uh, are you grateful to be alive each day, or do you take your life for granted? Taking things for granted results in complaining, negative thoughts, and words. So, when you complain, by the law of attraction, you must bring more things into your life to complain about.
Yeah.
If you are complaining about the weather, the traffic, your boss, your spouse, your family, a friend, a stranger, waiting in line, bills, the economy, the cost of something, or the service of a company, you are not being grateful, and you are pushing your dream life further away with every complaint.
Yeah, as law of attraction says, like attracts like. So whatever thought, whatever feelings, whatever frequency you send in the universe brings the similar kind of things in your life. If you're complaining about things, you will have more, more such situations to complain about. If you're being grateful, God or the universe, whoever you believe in, will bring more of such situations and things into your life to be grateful for. Yeah. Please continue.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Now you understand that complaining negative thoughts and words and taking things for granted stops the good things in your life. Now you understand that when something goes very wrong, you are unintentionally not being grateful enough. It is impossible to be negative when you are grateful. It is impossible to criticize and blame when you are grateful. It is impossible to feel sad or have a negative feeling when you are grateful. And the best news is that if you have any negative situation in your life currently, it won't take a long period of time to transform them with gratitude. The negative situations will disappear in a puff of smoke, just like magic. First, as difficult as it may be, you have to look for things to be grateful for in the negative situation. No matter how bad the things are, you can always find something to be grateful for, especially when you know that your gratitude will magically transform every negative circumstance. Walt Disney, who knew about the true magic of life, showed us how to do this in his movie Pollyanna. Disney's 1960 movie Pollyanna featured the Glad game, which had a profound effect on me when I was a child. I played the Glad game featured in the movie throughout my childhood and adolescence. To play the glad game, you look for as many as you can to be glad about,
As
especially,
many things as you can.
sorry, to play the glad game, you look for as many things as you can to be glad about, especially in a negative situation. Finding things to be glad about for finding things to be glad about or finding things to be grateful for in a negative situation makes the solution appear.
Okay, so I was talking about this movie, Pollyanna. So this movie was made in 1960 and it's a wonderful movie. It's about a small girl who's lost her parents and she's come to stay with her aunt. And her father taught her this game that every time she's in a situation, she's always saying, I am so glad. And then she will convert that situation into gratitude. And wherever she's staying, whichever village or whichever place she's staying with her aunt, she actually touches each and every life in that village because she is actually bringing out everybody from negativity to positivity by playing this glad game. So I am inviting you to watch this movie and start playing this game in your life. Start with today and take it to rest of your life if you enjoy doing it. But for
Jaggi,
today,
can you share the link with us?
after the session, I will share the link on the group. And for today, for sure, I really want you to practice that. Yeah, Vijay, please continue.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Walt Disney demonstrated the magical power of gratitude in Pollyanna. And thousands of years earlier, Buddha demonstrated the way to use the same magical power when he said, let us rise up and be thankful, for if we didn't learn a lot today, at least we learned a little, and if we didn't learn a little, at least we didn't get sick, and if we got sick, at least we didn't die. So let us all be thankful. Gautama Buddha, 563 BC to 483 BC, founder of Buddhism.
Yeah.
Let Buddha's words be
So
your inspiration.
I mean, even Buddhism, in Buddhism, Gautam Buddha said that always look for something positive in negative situation. So that is what we are going to learn today, that if there is any negative situation in our life today, how to convert that into positive thoughts and positive situation and be grateful and alter that situation. And as the book says, it will just vanish, in thin air in no time. So let's try it today. Give it a try. Yeah. Yeah, Vijay.
Let Buddha's words be your inspiration. Shall I continue?
Yeah, please.
Thank you. Let Buddha's word be your inspiration, and today take one problem or negative situation in your life that you must want to resolve, and look
Most
for
want to.
you
Most want.
most want to. I stand corrected. that
Yeah.
you most want to resolve and look for 10 things to be grateful for. I know it can be challenging to begin this practice, but Buddha is showing you the way to do it. Make a written list of 10 things on your computer or in your gratitude journal. As an example, your problem might be that you are out of work and despite your best efforts, you are still unemployed. To magically turn this situation around, you have to do a concentrated practice of gratitude on the situation. Here are some examples of what you might say. Number one, I am so grateful to have had more time for my family during this period. Two, I am grateful that my life is in a lot better order because of the spare time that I've had. Three, I am grateful that I have had a job most of my life and that I am experienced. Four, I am truly grateful that this is the first time I have been unemployed. Five, I am grateful that there are jobs out there and more new jobs are appearing each day. Six, I am grateful for all the things I've learned in applying for jobs and in going for interviews. Seven, I'm grateful that I have my health and that I can work. Eight, I'm grateful for my family's encouragement and support. Nine, I'm grateful for the rest I've had because I needed it. 10, I'm grateful that through losing my job, I've realized how much having a job means to me. I had never realized that until now.
Okay, so I would like to share something from my life. In 2014, I lost my job because I was working in some real estate company, and that time the real estate was going through a real bad shape. So, and that was the time I was also practicing magic. You know, I started practicing magic when I lost my job during that period, and I was also preparing for getting into seminar leader body in Landmark. So I don't know how many of you know about Landmark. So Landmark is an organization. It's a global organization which is a number one, is a pioneer in
I can't hear you.
Yeah. Okay. I think might be there is an connectivity issue. So what Jagjit was sharing is about her experience of being that time in 2014 when she lost her job and when she was a part of that Landmark. It's a personal and professional growth company. वैसे आप लोगों में से आपने से किसी ने लैंडमार्क के बारे में सुना है या लैंडमार्क फोरम किया है?
I've done it.
Uh, okay. Your good name? Who said? Actually, I couldn't hear you. I couldn't get you.
I think Darshanji said.
Darshan said. Okay, okay, perfect. So that she was sharing about, and so let me share about my experience also. From Almas says, okay, no. So like in 2011 was the time in 31st December 2009, I was into clinical research department. I was into we are into clinical trial operations, जो कि इस टाइम बड़ा बज वर्ड है. आप सब लोग और हम सब लोग वैक्सीन का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. तो आई वाज देयर विद पेनिशा बायोटेक और हम लोग ड्रग डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में थे. एंड I voluntarily left that job because I want to jump into some new opportunities. And then after 1.5 years, things doesn't work the way it should work, and everything get collapsed. So like I was not having job, I was married, and मेरी बिटिया भी 1 साल की थी. And as far as I remember, what has worked for me, I was not aware about the gratitude that time, but what has really worked for me is that I surrounded myself with the books, and I surrounded myself with the stuff like that, and that has kept me optimistic, and within a 6 month of time, I was earning more than which I was earning in my job with Panisha Biotech, and Panisha Biotech became my client, right? Where I was into a job, now that company was my client. So that really, मतलब that things really worked. आप में से कोई शेयर करना चाहेगा आपकी लाइफ में यदि रहेगा तो we'll take it later on. Meantime, I'll request Vijay to carry on because it's a lengthy chapter and let's deep into this practice, right? So thank you, Vijay, and
All right.
yeah, please go
Yeah,
ahead.
I'll continue.
Thank
As
you.
a result of the unemployed person's gratitude, they will attract different circumstances and their current situation must and will magically change. The power of gratitude is greater than any negative situation, and there are unlimited ways that the negative situation can change. All you have to do is practice gratitude and watch the magic taking place. Let's take another example. A son whose relationship with his father is troubled. The son feels that no matter what he does, it never seems to be good enough for his father. Point one, I'm grateful that most of the relationships in my life are really good. Two, I'm grateful to my father for working hard so that I can have the education that he didn't get to have. Three, I'm grateful to my father for supporting our family through my childhood because I didn't have a clue then how much hard work and money it took to keep our family going. Four, I'm grateful to my father for taking me to basketball every Saturday when I was a child. Five, I'm grateful that my father is not as tough on me these days as he used to be in the past. Six, I'm grateful that my father cares so much about me because he wouldn't be tough if he didn't care so much. Seven, I'm grateful that through my relationship with my father, I've learned to have compassion and a greater understanding with my children. Eight, I'm grateful to my father for showing me how important encouragement is in raising happy, confident children. Nine, I'm really grateful when I get to laugh with my father. Some people never got to do that because they didn't have a father. And for others who have lost their father, they uh, they will never have the chance to laugh with their father again. 10. I'm so truly grateful that I have my father because amid the tough times, there have been good times, and there will be more good times ahead with my father. As a result of the son's heartfelt feelings of gratitude for his father, he will change the relationship for the better. The son changed the way he thinks and feels about his father, with immediately changes which immediately changes what he attracts from his father. Even though the son was being grateful in his mind at an energetic and quantum level, the son's gratitude will have a magical effect on his relationship with his father. Provided he maintains his gratitude by the law of attraction, the son must receive far better circumstances with his father, and their relationship must begin to improve immediately. Remember, you can tell your gratitude is working by the way you feel that you should feel a lot better about the situation after practicing gratitude. The first evidence of gratitude's magical power working is your feeling lifting. So, when you do feel better about it, you know the situation will improve and the solution will appear. The answer to any negative situation you want to resolve is to focus concentrated gratitude on it until you feel better inside. Then you'll see the magic work, its wonders in the outside world.
Yeah, Vijay, one thing, I just want to share with you. The one powerful thing which I'm taking from it is like in my day-to-day life, जैसे अभी ये चल रहा था ना तो एकदम से the name of the people popping up जिनके साथ कहीं ना कहीं मुझे कुछ इरिटेशन एक्सपीरियंस होता है. आई एम श्योर आपकी लाइफ में भी कुछ ऐसे लोग होंगे, कुछ
Yep.
क्लोज रिलेशनशिप में भी कुछ होते हैं, है ना. कभी कभी वाइफ के साथ भी हो जाता है कि वो
Yep.
सुनती नहीं है, राइट. And I was just taking on that, okay, how about taking this clue from here is how I can, for one negative emotion or feeling that I right now getting present to that person, can I bring 10 more things and gratitude for that person, right? And my invitation to you, I'm going to practice it that. And my invitation to you guys, let's practice that in our day-to-day life today. You know, things will happen, after 8 a.m. whole day will go and आपकी भी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस आएंगे. एंड लेट्स सी कि जब हम ये प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो हमारा अपने आप से और सामने वाले से क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहता है. एंड लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हियर फ्रॉम यू. या विजय प्लीज.
Right. In
थैंक्स सर.
making your written list, make sure you list each of 10 things you are grateful for in the following way. I'm grateful for dash, or I'm truly grateful for dash. And finish the sentence with what you are grateful for. You can also use Walt Disney's way of using gratitude's magical power if you find it easier. I'm so glad that dash, you can finish the sentence and finish the sentence with what you are glad about. Once you have listed 10 things you are grateful for, finish the magical way out of negativity practice by writing, thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. And just for today, see if you can get through one day without saying anything negative. It may be a challenge, but see if you can make it. Could you change the page, please? See if you can make it through one day. There is an important reason to do this because most of us have no idea how much we speak negatively, but you'll have an idea after watching your words for a day. Remember that negativity and complaint bring most of those things. And if you are aware of what you are saying, you can stop and decide if you want the consequences of what you are about to say. Here is a magical lifeline you can use if you notice yourself thinking or saying something negative. Stop immediately and say, but I have to say that I am really grateful for dash. Finish the rest of the sentence with something, anything that you are grateful for. Take this magic lifeline with you and grab a hold of it whenever you need it. The next page, please. And if any little problem or situation appears in the future, remember to put the embers with gratitude before it grows into a fire. At the same time, you will ignite the magic in your life. We went back, not forward.
Vijay, I deliberately bring that back.
Okay,
And I
fine.
want to bring one point to everyone notice is that whenever, like in a day, if you experience any negativity or by default it happens, then this is a magical statement which they have provided, that we can then immediately say to ourselves, oh, but I have to say that I am really grateful for. So like right now, if I say, my mind is saying a brain that my co-host is not there online, right? Maybe there will be some internet issue and other. And for that, if I'm getting that concern, then I can say, okay, but I have to say that I'm really grateful that we have amazing people over here. Shruti is here, Vijay is here, Darshan is here, and so many people, and we are intentionally doing that we are meant to do. Yeah. So my request is kindly make this line a point in your diary, so that we can practice that in a day. Yeah. Thank you, Vijay. So let's go to the magic practice number 7.
Yeah, magic practice number 7, the magical way out of negativity. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Could you
Yeah,
make
it's
the,
fine.
yeah. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. At the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessing as you can. 2. Choose one problem or negative situation in your life that you most want to resolve. 3. List 10 things that you are grateful for about the negative situation. 4. At the end of your list, write thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. 5. Just for today, see if you can get through one day without saying anything negative. If you notice yourself thinking or saying something negative, use the magic lifeline. Use the magic lifeline. Stop immediately and say, but I have to say that I am really grateful for so and so. 6. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.
Okay, great. So as we have completed this, the practice. So thanks, Vijay. And
Thank you.
let me go again one by one. That thank you. So we can really sync what the exercise is saying to us is the first thing saying the magical way out of negativity. As a human being, by default, our brain is designed. Oh, thank you, जी, thank you, thank you. So I can be thankful that जिसका भी okay, I request if you can mute yourself. Darshan, can you unmute yourself? Sorry, mute yourself. Okay, let me check from my end if I can mute everyone. So that okay. Got that. अभी नहीं आ रहा है आवाज. Okay. So the first point is count your blessings. So I'm sure guys, आप सब लोग अपनी blessings count कर रहे होंगे whenever you wake up, or if you have not done it, please do after the session and write out the 10 things and please write out why you are grateful. Because the moment we write down the why you are grateful, that why gives us the experience of that feeling, right? Then we get present to the feeling part, that is the most important part when it comes to gratitude. And the second thing it says that choose one problem or negative situation in your life that you most want to resolve. I'm sure there will be some challenge or the problem or negative situation everyone like, right? Am I right, guys? Shruti, Vijay,
Yeah.
Darshan, yeah. So how about really taking and writing that one problem and challenge today on a pen and paper? You can do it right now or just after this. Great, Shruti. And then list 10 things that you are grateful about that negative situation, you know, about that particular challenge, you know, about that particular situation, about that particular person, or about that particular own behavior. Some of the time, like मे बी कि कोई दूसरा आदमी नेगेटिव ना हो, अपने को अपने ही व्यवहार के अंदर कुछ लगता हो कि यार मैं ऐसा क्यों हूं या मैं ऐसी क्यों हूं, राइट? एंड देन वी नीड टू राइट डाउन 10 थिंग्स, and at the end of your list when you write down those 10 things, we have to repeat the magic word called thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. And the fifth one is really powerful, guys. Please make attention to this. Just for today, see if you can get through one day without saying anything negative. This is a real test, right?
Very good.
They're very true. And the best part is, I know, आप में से सब लोग एग्री करेंगे कि हम लोग ने बुद्धा जैसा प्रैक्टिस तो नहीं किया है, right? So maybe the things will happen जब जब कुछ नेगेटिव या इरिटेशन होगा ही, पर उसके लिए एक लाइफ लाइन है जो आपको और मुझे याद रखनी है. मेरी तो रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी आपसे कि you can make a card or you can write it on somewhere so that this line you can easily refer to that. Can someone read out that line for me, uh, that is written here in point number 5?
But I have to say that I'm really grateful for.
Yeah, amazing. But I have to say that I'm really grateful for, and then really say क्या चीज आपको उसमें grateful लग रही है. Yeah, is it's amazing. And just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Yeah,